Hello. We're a part of a team of 5. My name is Chris Nicolau. This is Poyan Portion. We have Charlotte Tang, Mara Dabrowski, and Jane Saputra. Hand wave. Applause, maybe? Thank you. This is actually our first time competing in one of these kind of hackathons, and coming in, we very excited. And we kind of came in with the kind of idea that we're going to create something very interactive. Instead of like connecting to very large data sets, we were going to pull data and kind of mine it that way, with the intention later on to pull some sort of API and stuff like that. So I will kind of let Poyan take it from here. Yeah.
All right. The premise, Voyager's secondary objective is to make contact with extraterrestrial life. Our story takes place in the future on a distant planet where aliens have decoded the record.
So it's kind of like a weird backwards idea of looking at kind of an interactive way of, I guess, taking a look at the timeline of the Voyager and what it's been doing. We wanted to take it from kind of a alien species perspective where they've discovered it, and I'll let kind of us play. We have a little bit of audio, so bear with us for a sec. That was the alien speaking. So again, more of like an interactive experience, rather than, again, heavy data. It's kind of a more fun way or a more interactive way to engage with, this type of medium, rather than heavy text. It's called parallax scrolling through kind of Voyager's experience or its timeline through space. Pardon?
All the audios from the record.
Oh, right, yeah, sorry. All the audios from the record are actually playing in the background here. From the golden record. So as it goes along, it's actually, it'll play different bits. Some a little scarier than others, but so again, it's more of it's more of an interactive experience, more of a visual experience. We try to kind of take lots and lots of information on it and kind of disperse it in a more graphical manner. As it's actually going through, it's actually calculating the 4 different things in the corners. So it's actually basing off real information at the point in time that it was traveling. So we have the battery life left, where it is actually in time, how far away it is from Earth, and the actual signal round trip. So how long it takes for the signal to actually get back to us. We kind of made it so you can leap forward and to the different sections, and again, it has more information about those key kind of points that we wanted to highlight. So again, you are scrolling through it, but again, it's more of an interactive experience rather than just heavy text. Oh, one of the cool things we did was when we originally were thinking about putting this together, we were going to stack them all together. But then it didn't really make sense, and we didn't think it would depict the correct kind of timing as to where it was at a certain given point in time. So what we did was we actually just ran a calculation to place everything on a kind of a ratio perspective where it would be within the different points. So this is kind of accurate. It's just based off pixels, and we just divided by, obviously in terms of kilometers, we divided by 100,000 to get pixels, and this thing's something like 260,000 pixels or something like that. So yes, he's showing off his fancy work, and that's about it.